In this video, I'm going to show you how to switch your Windows 11 account from a Microsoft account to a local one. For those who aren't familiar, when you boot up your PC, you need to log into Windows 11. Usually there are two types of accounts: a Microsoft account, which is linked online, and a local account that works entirely offline without needing an internet connection. First, press Windows I to pull up the Settings menu. From there, head over to the Accounts section. You'll see your current account name displayed on the right side. To double-check your account type, scroll down and click on Your Account. If you're currently on a Microsoft account, it will say Microsoft Account right underneath your name. Now to switch over to a local account, head back to the Account settings and select the Your Info section. Right here under Account Settings, go ahead and click on Sign in with a local account instead. A confirmation window will pop up. Simply click Next to proceed. At this point, you'll need to enter the PIN you normally use to log into your computer. Once that's done, go ahead and choose a username for your local account, set a password, confirm it, and add a password hint. After that, just click Next and then Sign Out and Finish. Your PC will log you out immediately, and you can then sign back in using your brand new local account.